How to fix Valorant VMD 9001? The VMD controller has encountered a fatal uncoverable error. For this first step, you need to search for run and type the following text appwiz.cpl. Click enter. An uninstall page will open. In this, you need to search for Riot Vanguard. Scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard and uninstall it. Don't panic, it's only uninstall the Riot Vanguard. Once you uninstall after completing all the steps, you can open up the Riot client. It's automatically asking for reinstalling the Riot Vanguard. So your account will be safe. Then after that, come to next step, disable Windows Security Core Isolation. For this, you need to search for Windows Security. Click it. In this, we need to search for Device Security. Click the Device Security option. In Core Isolation, under you have seen the Core Isolation details. Click it. And Memory Integrity. In this, you need to turn off the memory integrity. Once turn off it and check if the problem still remains, then we need to revert back it. Turn off and check if the problem still remains, then come back to Windows Security and turn on it. The next step, search for run and type the following text. Optional features OPTIONALFEATURES. Type it and click enter. In this, we need to turn off virtual machine platform and Windows Hypervision platform. Turn off virtual machine platform and Windows Hypervision platform and click OK and wait for a couple of seconds. It's searching for required files to turning it off. Once complete after, you need to restart now. For the video purpose, I do it later, so you need to restart now. After restart, go to settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset the network. Click it. Thank you.